We're going to show you how to fix a Wi-Fi weak spot with a TalkTalk Wi-Fi extender kit. Weak spots vary from house to house, but can be caused by obstructions like thick stone walls, walls with a reinforced steel joist, or even fish tanks with competing electricity. This video applies for any TalkTalk router or Wi-Fi hub. Plug the network connector into a mains socket close to your router that is switched off. To get started, take the network connector and plug one end of the yellow Ethernet cable into it. Then plug the other end of the cable into one of the yellow Ethernet ports on the back of your router or hub. Switch on your main socket. Next, take the Wi-Fi extender. Before you put it in the room where you have a weak Wi-Fi signal, you need to get it to connect or pair with your router. Take the Wi-Fi extender and plug it into another main socket in the same room as the network connector. Fully extend the antennas, switch on the main socket, then the Wi-Fi extender using the switch on the side. The mains power light will turn solid green once the network connector and the Wi-Fi extender have connected. Now you can unplug the Wi-Fi extender and move it to a socket where you have weak Wi-Fi signal. If the power line light and wireless light on your Wi-Fi extender aren't both solid green, follow these steps. Press and hold the connect button at the bottom of the network connector until the mains power light starts blinking. Then hold down the WPS button on the side of your Wi-Fi extender until both lights turn green. And that's it. If you need more help, get in touch online.